How to fix Facebook not showing new posts. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection. Then go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Facebook application on your device. So as you can see, I don't have the option of update, which means that I have the latest version of the Facebook application on my device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on Facebook, then tap on App Info. Now, as you tap on App Info, it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on it and then tap on Clear Cache. Now after tapping on OK, you can go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options. Now go back and try to restart the device and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.